Starting my Ubuntu. Just a minute, I want to connect it to my. Okay. Now see here, very small question I am asking. Suppose, how can you know one file is there or not? How can you check Anvesh? Suppose I'm going to type an I there. I'm going. How can I check one file is there or not? I may go
LS
with
hyphen
LS
LT.
hyphen LTR. That one only, right? See, there we can go and refer it. We can able to search. Maybe such file is there or not. But through shell script, I want to know really file got exist or not. See, I'm not doing like this. Suppose if you give the file name, see, suppose any one file name, maybe file names are there, right? AO.sh, big.sh, file got exist or not, file got exist or not. If really exist, I want to display that message. How can you display message? Maybe cat of data of assume, maybe big.sh. We can able to see the content, right? First, we'll check file got exist or not, or if not the file not exist. For that, VA or I may go to Notepad, Windows PR Notepad, Control. There I may go for new one. Want to check file got exist or not. See there, file is exist or not. How can I? See, first what I may do, I may use read, read hyphen p. What I may do, I may prompting. Enter, enter a file name. We don't know which file you may enter. I'm writing file or F name, file name, file. See, you are reading file name by using if condition. What I am going to do, hyphen e. This is the flag. This is the option. Hyphen e, dollar sign, F name. Dollar sign, F name. Then see echo file, which file, dollar F name, exist. Exist. See, if not, else, what I may get? Echo such name does not, does not exist. This is reverse, right? F. Are you easy to understand, right? First, what I'm doing, I'm reading the file name. What I'm doing with if condition, I'm checking this file, maybe assume ao.sh or big.sh. E means exist. If you are exist, okay, I am exist. If you are not exist, I am does not, I am maybe file does not exist. Is there any difficulty? Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Shall we test it? Yes, we are going to test. Control C. Vishwa, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Now what we are doing, Vishwa observe VA, there I'm going to write file exist fe.sh. File exist. This is our name. Now I written a little code to try to observe. I'm going to read one file name. I'm going to read one file name by using read hyphen p prompt. After reading what that file name, where it is available, what is the placeholder, F name. With the dollar sign F name, what does it mean? Whatever you provided, that will be available within the F name. That file name, if exist, what is the message I want to get? That file name exists. If not exist, what I want to get? That file does not exist. Simply what we are checking? file is exist or not. In many interviews, they asked, how can you know the file got exist in your system or in our drive? Escape, shift colon X. Now what I am going to do? Bash dot slash fe dot sh. Enter file name. Enter file name. What is the file name I am going to give? Big dot sh. This is our existing file. See, big dot sh exist. Assume. Again, I am rerunning. I am giving VAS W. Vishwa. See, Vishwa does not exist. Vishwa does not exist. Is there any difficulty till now? Observe and try to respond. There, I written a little code. That code for I am reading one file name. After reading the file, I am going to check with the option. What is the option? E means exist. E means exist. Whatever you provided, if that got exist, what is the message I may get? That name got exist. That name does not exist. Our intention is if that name is exist, if that name is exist, is it a file or a directory? Till now, system don't know. Is it a file or directory? System is checking only for oh, such name is exist or not. Such name is exist. Even you may go for one directory. Maybe mkdir, mkdir, vasw, Vishwa. Now I'm going to check with C vasw. See, Vishwa exists. System cannot differentiate are you a file or you a directory. Are you a file or you a directory? Suppose if I give big.sh, system will tell maybe here what that means ls hyphen ltr. See, here big.sh is there, right? It is a file, everybody know. Vishwa is a directory, everybody know. How can you differentiate? Is it a file? Is it a directory? Here, check it. Very beginning, D is there. D represent directory. Very beginning, hyphen is there. Wherever hyphens are there, those are the regular files. Wherever D is there, that is the directory file. That is the directory file. Here, our intention is, if I give Vishwa, system will tell Vishwa is a directory. If I give big.sh, big.sh is a file. How can I do it? How can I do it? Now check it here. See, first I am reading. You are there or not? Yes, I am there. I may be a file. I may be a director. I may be a file. I may be a director. At that time, what will you do? Within the if condition, you may go for one more if condition. If condition, there hyphen f f. F means file. Again dollar sign f. There again semicolon, then semicolon, then echo there dollar f name is a file. Is a file. Is it okay for you, Vishwa? First, what I am checking? Some name got exist or not. If really exist, that name it be a file. That name it be a file. If it is a file name, that name is a file. In the same way, I am going to check ELIF, ELIF, ELIF. That name D means what? Directory name F name there or exist, then echo dollar F name is a director. See, if not, maybe else, you may go for else, else what I may do? Echo not a file, not a file, not a file, neither file nor a direct. We may go like that. Neither file nor a direct. Now that is good. Now simply internal if is end with fi. Now this is what? No need of these things, right? No need of. That is the internal, right? Yes. That means that name does not exist. That is good. Now this is the right prompt. Someone is trying to join. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Check it here. Check it here. There I written a little code. First observe it. Then again I'll explain. Control C. Then I'm going to erase. Again VA. VA. Maybe check CHEC. Check dot sh. No, paste it. Escape. Shift colon. Now what we are going to check? First I need to run bash dot slash check dot sh. It is asking file name. Maybe enter file name. See here, observe here, any name we can give. Suppose I am giving ABC. ABC exists or not? Not. What you may get? See, ABC does not exist. Okay, good. Now again enter run. There I am giving in maybe there I am giving big dot sh. Big dot sh. Check it. See, big dot ss is a file because of it is a file. I am running there. I am running Vishwa VASWA. See, Vishwa is a directory. Vishwa is a directory. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
good. Now someone, Hemant, good morning. Now see here, maybe Subbu and Hemant observe here. What I written, very simple way I am explaining. There I written something. There my intention is hyphen E, hyphen F, hyphen D. These three things. E represents EXIST exist. F represents file. D represents direct. Is it okay for you? I am reading one name. I am reading one name. That name, maybe I'm giving abc.sh. If really abc.sh is a file, it will say you are the file. I'm giving maybe dir. If it is a directory, it will say you are the directory. You are the directory. Before telling file, before telling directory, I want to check your exist. Your exist means if you are there, some name I am giving, maybe PQR. This PQR is exist, then it will check for are you a file or a directory. Are you a file or a directory? How I am checking? See, first I am reading some name from console. That name is exist. I may enter into here. If name does not exist, directly I may go to else bar, echo that name does not exist. I hope you got the clarity. If name is exist, assume big dot sh. Big dot sh is exist, good. That big dot sh is a file. If it is really a file, what you may get? That big dot sh is a file. If big dot sh is not a file, it will check for a directory. If not a file, not a directory, maybe it may give the messages, some other thing. Generally, till now we are working with files and directories only. So many other things are there. Leave about it. We will discuss later. Is it okay for you? In interview, this is very important thing. They are going to ask, how can I check? Is it a file or is it a directory? From hereafter, what I may do, I may write again from the scratch, from the scratch. See, I want to read something. If it is really a file, that file content I want to display on the screen. Till now, what we checked? Is it a file or directory? Suppose see, read, read hyphen p, enter, enter any file name. Enter any file name. There I am taking F name. This name is any name. Okay. If if you are exist, dollar sign F name. That is good. If you are exist, okay. Then what will you do? If you are if you are a file, dollar sign, F name, if you are a file, then what will you do? Then what will you do? Echo file content. File content is, file content is, there after that I may go for one more. There after that I may go with echo, echo. There simply I am doing like this. There cat of, there you may go with what is the dollar sign? Dollar sign F name. Dollar sign F name. Again you may go with echo. There simply dot dot dot. You go with the space is important. Dot dot dot. Now simply there you may go and check it. Else, why do you go for else? If really such file name does not exist, echo dollar F name does not exist. Does not exist. Then what we are doing? If really exist, we are displaying the file content. If not exist, we are not displaying. Here observe and tell me. See, again, already I told, right? E represents what? You are there or not. Okay, first I may check. There human is there or not. Our feeling is human means either may boy or maybe girl. See, this represents you are there or not. This represents are you a file? Are you a file? If your file really okay, you may display that file content. If you are not a file, if you are not a file, see, even you are not a file, and also even that name does not exist. What I may get? That name does not exist. Control A, Control C. Now simply want to there vi test.sh test.sh there escape colon x. Now bash dot slash test.sh. There enter any file name. Enter any file name. There else I may create in front of you one file, then we can check it. Control C. See, there cat greater than maybe file name is maybe file one. File. There I am giving welcome to DevOps, welcome to Linux, welcome to Jenkins. Jenkins. Control D. D means save. Now you know this cat of their file. This is the prompt we are doing. Now I am running bash bash dot slash their test dot sh. It is asking file name. What is the file name? File 1. Now check it here. Something wrong. Test.ss line 16, syntax error, unexpected, end of file. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it. What I did is silly mistake. There we need to end with the F5. This I did. This I didn't. There I'll go and modify. There we go for VA test.sh test.sh. There we need to end with insert. Before else, we need to end with F5. Escape, shift colon X. Now enter. Their file name is file 1. Check it. Am I getting file content is? If suppose there is no file, such file name I make you, what happens? There I am writing Lakshmi. Such file does not exist. See, Lakshmi does not exist. Lakshmi does not exist. Okay, good. Now, in the same file, how many lines are there? How many words are there? How many characters are there? I want to get it. For example, I may show you very easy way. Same thing you try to explain for me. Now, what I am going to tell, there you know cat of file 1, there type symbol WC hyphen L. It represents number of lines. It represents number of words. It represents number of characters, either C or M. Now you know, right? Based on this guide me. Based on this guide me. Their system wants to display your file. That means dollar $f name contains suppose 3 lines. I want to get message like this. In the same way, $f name contains, that means 9 words. $f name contain 53 characters. 53 characters. Now, can you guide me what to do? Based on your guidance, I want to apply. Based on your guidance, I want to apply. At the end, I want to get the message. Or else, here itself also no problem. Within the if condition also no problem. Within the if condition also no problem. See, after displaying my content, I want to get it here. Now guide me here. First, what you want? Lines, right? Simply lines. Lines is equal to, what shall I do? According to our scenario, you may go with the cat. There also user cat, right? Cat. For which file name? $sign F name. $F name. After that, what I did? WC word count. Hyphen L. See, is it simple, right? Is it simple? But here, there we need to go with command substitution. That you need to add extra. See, whatever you give in command prompt, there I provided in command prompt same statement. See, here I am giving directly file name, but there we don't know direct file name. Whatever you got it from the file name, $f name. Because of our file name where it is available. See, this is the placeholder everybody know. Whatever you may enter, that holded by F name. F name is holding. This holding, that's why we are giving, this is the variable. Variable is the placeholder. I'm giving placeholder with $sign. Then only you can get. This is the dynamic nature. Dynamic nature means you may use something that is holding that name. Here it is representing. I hope this is clear for you. Now, in the same way, you may go and check for where I may copy paste or else I may write in front of you, understand. WORDS. Words is equal to words. Even sometimes don't use spaces. Their $sign. Cat of dollar F name, their WC hyphen double. Same way, see characters or char maybe line count. Simply go for LC line count, WC word count, C CC character count is equal to $sign cat of dollar F name, their WC hyphen. You may go with either C or M. Both are same. Either C or M. C C means bytes, M means characters. But people are reading C means characters only. Leave about. Now what I want to get. See, finally echo echo dollar F name F name having F name having, see, dollar LC lines. Are you understanding or not? This is important. Here see, it is the file name representing, it is representing number of lines. That's why line count. That's all. Same way, I'm going to copy paste 2 more times. Control C, there Control V, one more time, Control V. Now quick modification. Their lines is there. WC. There. What about CC? CC lines. Here is the words. Here is the words. Here is what? Characters. CHRACTRS. Now we may check, is it really working or not? Escape. Shift colon. Not here, right? This is the right code. There any extra things I added here? No, right? Purely code only, right? Control A, Control C. Now move on to their VI test dot sh. They remove existing thing. Their insert. I mean insert within the editor. You need to press I. There. I hope I added proper code. We may check it. Really, is it working? Escape. Shift colon X. Now bash dot slash test dot sh. Enter file name. What is the file name? The file name is file1. The file name is file1. See, if we are getting file content is welcome to DevOps, welcome to Linux, welcome to Jenkins. File having 3 lines. File1 having 9 words. File1 having 53 characters. 53 characters. Even I want to check file one having, okay, number of blank lines I want to get. File one having number of blank lines. Till now, is there any blank line? See, I may go with their VI or else VI file one dot file one. See, till now, their insert. Now check it. How many blank lines are there? Escape, shift colon, X, what it may tell. Now observe once again. Now I think this one only, right? There, file one. Now see, it is showing file one having 5 lines, file one having 9 words, file one having 55 characters. Characters good, 9 words good, but reality, are able to see only 3 lines, right? But 2 lines are, but in general, that is output is correct only. But I want to see how many blank lines are there. Anyone can get me? I want to see how many blank lines. I think in the last previous class somewhere I explained how to get the blank lines. Blank lines. Anyone? Wait for
We
1 minute.
mentioned the we mentioned the cap symbol and dollar symbol, sir.
Yeah, very good. How can you get it? There you may go with cat of cat of. Generally, we may give file name, right? File one, it will display general total. But there, you need to go with grep. There we need to go with grep grep. Then what I mentioned, there cap and also dollar, cap and also dollar. After that, what I provided,
And
what I
file
provided,
name.
my file name. There, file one. You may see there's a only blank line, only blank count. I got it. Blank count. I got it. The same way I want to get the blank count. Now this one I'm copying for your clarity. That's why even one of maybe my faculties, wherever I am referring, what he told is first you need to check in the command line. After checking, if it is working, then only you will go and add it into script. Otherwise, our feeling is correct, but script may not work properly. Why? In the command line, whatever the command is not properly working, in script also it won't work. See, here, whatever it is work, 100% there it will work. Whatever it may not work, there 100% it won't work. Now you go for VA test.sh. Yes. And now what I do here, there insert, there I am going to add here. There I am going to add here. Now enter there, there blank count. Blank count is equal to $sign, $sign. There paste it. Now here what to do here? Please respond. Grep. You are giving grep only. That is good. What it may do? It may provide, right? It may provide. How can I provide this one? $sign, $sign. What is the name? F name, right? F name. Then WC. What shall I do? WC there hyphen L, number of lines. I hope If I am right, you may check it. There WC hyphen L. WC hyphen L. Now we may go to echo, echo, their dollar F name having dollar BC lines. That means having blank lines. Blank lines. Good. Escape, shift colon, X. If we are not wrong, it will run for us proper. Now F name there file 1, file 1. Now is it correct only, right? There file 1 having two blank lines. File 1 having two blank lines. See, suppose if I try to run big.sh, big dot, that is also file we are having. See, one blank line. At the end, somewhere blank line is there within the file, or maybe at middle one blank line is there, right? There, here middle one blank line is there. That's why it is showing big.sh having one blank line. One blank line. Is it okay for everybody? How to work with file concept? In the file concept, very important thing again I am telling hyphen E, hyphen F, hyphen D. Quickly respond what those three uh, options represent. E represents
File,
exist
exist,
good, exist.
file,
F represents file or a
file,
file or not, or a file or not. D represents or a
directory.
directory. Directory. Good. Now see some examples yesterday I provided for you. Even everybody check on our WhatsApp group. Quick response. Check on our WhatsApp group. See some examples are there. You check it, and tell me. Maybe we may go through at least one or two examples. Go through. You go through it and ask me, sir. Maybe this is little. This is little. They are very simple examples. Because of these examples you practice 100%, you may sustain at least one question regarding shell scripts. There you refer it one by one. If any doubt is there, maybe I am giving 2 minutes time for you. There, I think I given a separation with equal to symbols. One line of equal to symbols for each one. You may refer it and ask. Refer, are you referring? I think, Subbu, you didn't get this right. I'll provide for you. I think, I hope you are not having this one.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Quickly, I'm sending. There, forward. There, so you may check it within 1 or 2 minutes. We'll discuss on this. Now, little bit you know about conditions. If condition, you know. Now, today we'll move on to loop concept. Today we'll move on to loop concept. We'll learn basics of loops. Tomorrow we'll enhance those loops. How to use in maybe according to industry standards. Now good to go. Good to go. According to loop concept, either you may use do or you may use for. Generally, we may use do loop for loop, and one more thing is there. Maybe industry people are not using. That is what I forgot that one. I'll tell you. Do mainly we use do for opposite of do. We may use some other things, or else I may go with the chat GPT. There I may gather those things. We can easily understand. We can easily understand. We may go for chat GPT. There shell script, shell script, loop, loop related options. I understood. The last one is until. Until. I think do for until. UNTL. There we make you check it. See here they may given the word for loop. Just now we discussed it, right? In the same way, we go for while loop. In the same way, we go for until loop. Maybe they given any fourth one. See, loop control statement. Only loop. Their loop control statement use it to internally loop control is using break, continue, exist. See, overall, how many types of loop related words? Quick observation. Do is one word, for is another word, until is one more word. First, I'll differentiate what is the difference between do, for, and until. Try to understand. I may go to our notepad there, delete it. First, we go for do. Do, done. This is the syntax. Do, done. This is the starting with the do, ending with the done. Do, done. See, this is first we'll try to understand what is looping. Looping. An ability, an ability, an ability to perform PR, to perform set of instructions repeatedly, repeatedly. Why do you go for repeatedly? Do. See, if I am telling you, you should do up to condition is true. Up to condition is true. You should do up to condition is true. That means, see, I may run n, or simply we can say sometimes n number of times. N number of times. N number of times. See, I am specifying the number of times. I am specifying the number of times. How can I specify number of times? See, I may go with C, I is equal to 1. This is the initialization I am telling according to this one. See, what I may tell, you should do, what will you do? Do something less than or greater than or equal. Or suppose the dollar sign I is less than 10. What will you do? 10 times you should do first I value 1 less than 10 times. What will you do? You need to print echo what you will print dollar sign I. There we may check let I plus plus. Let I plus plus like this. You may see the proper syntax. You can easily understand. Somewhere they given do, right? See, do done. Where is the do done? There see, while do, while, while do done, while do done. Now I may go for this is first while condition, there WHIL. While, then while you should use with square bracket, there space, there again square bracket. This one you need to write while do, while do. This is the repetitive statement or ability to perform set of instructions repeatedly. There I may write proper example. Proper example in the sense what it will do. It will print up to 1 to 10. Up to 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Is it okay for you? What is the duty of loop control statements? Ability to perform set of instructions repeatedly. Set of instructions repeatedly. Here we are telling at beginning, even we are telling at the end also. What I told at beginning, $1, $1, dollar I means it will take one. What it will do? It will increment. It will increment. First, we'll see one example. You may understand clear. You may understand clear. I may go to our shell script. Their example for their VI do.sh I'm taking. See, very beginning, dollar sign, or okay, I is equal to 1. Good. While there, that dollar I is less than or equal to 10. Less than means LT. Less than or equal to means that is less than or equal. What will you do? You must do something. What will you do? Echo. What will you do? Dollar sign I you need to print. Then you go for let I plus plus. What happened? You may see. Next we go for done. Next we go for done. There the incrementing purpose what they given is they given any incrementation. There simply they see a user count plus plus, right? This is also good option. We may go, even we may try with let also. We may try with let also. Now I'll try to execute this. What happened? You may see escape shift colon X. Now good to go. Bash dot slash 2 dot sh. See, am I getting or not? Is it okay for you? This is the loop control statement. Do same statement I want to get with for loop. We'll check it. Same statement I want to work with for loop. What is the syntax? See, I'm writing this is purely do, right? Now you go for now you go for loop. How to work with? Now just you need to go with see for therefore you need to tell dollar dollar I dollar I means one. Where you need to tell, where you need to tell, or simply we may go with their in is there or not. We need to check in is there they given only for they given, right? See for I in is there or not for I in where to where you want to check for 1 to 10 assume for I in even no need to give dollar for I in see flower bracket 1 dot dot flower bracket 10. What does it mean? Already you know, right? Somewhere we use it at the time of file creation using fetch for. After for what will you do? Again do, then done. For do, done. Then what will you do here? Echo dollar I. Very simple. Very simple. Compared to while for is little bit easier. Why? We are checking for I. I is variable in where it is there. 1 to 10 is there. Just you display it. Same code I'm taking. I'm going to implement. Copy it and going to now vi for dot sh. There paste it, escape, shift colon X. What may happen? Dash dot for dot sh. See, am I getting right? Now see, which is maybe human feeling is very easy compared to while for is easy. For is easy. See, the opposite of while is until. The opposite of while is until. The opposite of while. Opposite of while. See, how can you implement opposite of while? See, in while what I written, simply I am copy pasting. I may do the little change. You may understand what happened. Control C, Control C. There I am pasting and I will try to explain. See, here you declared I value 1. That is good. In place of while, you need to write until. In place of while, you need to write until. Okay, good. See, while condition is true, it will execute. Until means condition false, it will execute. When the condition is false, anyone explain? I is less than 10 or I is greater than 10. Condition false,
I is greater than 10.
greater than. Simply. Remaining things are calm. Now it will work. There I go for just done. Try to remember. The opposite of while is until. The opposite of while is until. We may check this one. Control C. There we may go for there VI dot sh. Now paste it for here. I think we are not wrong. Escape. Shift colon X. Now what is that? Dash right? Dot slash until dot sh. See, am I getting output or not? Is it okay? Now, now, see, simple way you understood. Simple. Here one latest for loop they given. One latest for loop. The latest for loop is the programming language for loop. See, I may go with VI latest latest dot sh. What is the latest dot sh? See, they are going to tell insert for double braces. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, double curly brace. For do again done, do done, there echo dollar sign I, echo dollar sign I. We may check it, we may check it, we may check it with such a there they given just a tool, but they yeah, correct syntax only. I use the correct syntax only. Escape, shift colon X. Now we may try. Now we may try. What is that? Bash dot slash latest. Latest dot. See, is it okay for you? See, for every area I want to get reverse out. Reverse means 10 to 1, 10 to 1, 10 to 1. Any one area guide me. That is your wish. Shall I go with do or shall I go with for or shall I go with the latest for or shall I go with until? Maybe based on your wish, we'll go and work on that. Maybe remaining things you may try it. I want to get reverse
Do,
output 10 to 1. Which one shall I take? For example,
do sir.
do. Now that means while do. That means while. Means, I don't know why she is. And now what I am trying to do, reverse VI. First I go to notepad. There I may go with reverse of out. Reverse of output using while condition. Using while with the two. While with the two. Now see. I is equal to 10. I is equal to 10. See while $i is greater than or equal to 1 is greater than or equal to 1. What will you do? There echo dollar sign I dollar sign I, then let in previous scenario what I used I plus plus, right? Now what I am giving I minus minus, done. Vishwa, you got it? Yes or no? See, in previous scenario, where we started from 1 to 10, now we are starting with 10 to 1. Control C, there you may go for there VI REV dot sh. Insert SK shift colon x. Now bash dot slash rev dot ss. See 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Is it okay for you? Just with
Yes,
for
sir.
tell me. Anyone with for tell me. With for I'll write here. With for at least. There. There I use with for. We may try for I in for I in for I in flower bracket 10 dot dot 1. What will you do? Do echo dollar sign I. There done. If I am not wrong, it will work. Shall we try? Control C, copy. Control C, copy. There may go for one more. There VA for reverse for rev dot sh. Now paste it. Escape shift colon x. Now bash dot slash for rev dot sh. Now am I getting right? Now tell me the latest for loop, that is again very easy. The latest for loop for double curly brace I is equal to 10. I tell me I less than I greater than or equal to 1. Then I minus minus here itself. I minus minus, what will you do? Echo after for do is there, right? Do at the end done is there. These are the important things. Echo dollar sign I. That's all. Echo dollar sign I. Just copy it. Control C. Where VA latest latest for loop dot sh. Now escape shift colon x. Now bash dot lf dot x. Now check it 10 to 1. Okay, up to this good. But I am giving a little concept. Maybe 1 to 10 with while we are printing. See, observe here. 1 to 10 while. I am removing everything. Control A. Now quickly guide me. I is equal to 1. We assign it. Next, what I did? While $sign I is less than or equal to 10, you know it. Then what I did? Do. Then what I did? Done. Then what I did? Echo $sign I. Then I use a let I plus plus. This well-known story. My intention, you want to display only odd numbers. You want to display only odd numbers. Now, anyone can guide me. Here it will print 1 to 10, but I want to get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What will you check? How can you check one number is odd number or even number? If a remainder is 0, somewhere you studied in mathematics. If a remainder is 0, that represents even number. If a remainder is non-zero, what it represents? Odd number. Yes or
Awesome.
no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct only, right? First we'll understand if a number is only even or not. Then we'll check. How can you check? First, generally, read -p, enter any number. Are you agree with me? Any number. There I may go with num. Okay. After that, there if we need to check if number, how can you check $num, $num. What I may do? Modulus 2. If $num modulus 2, $num modulus 2. This is the condition. This is the condition. Till now, is it okay for you? Dollar num modulus 2. Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. What will you get? Not equal to 0. You know, I said right? Not equal to 0. Then what I can say this? Not equal to 0. Echo odd number. Is it okay for you? This is the logic you need to apply. And now tell me, same logic here apply. There I am copying this statement. Control C. There I am pasting within the do. Good. Then if condition, then dollar sign, you need to display what? Dollar sign. According to our scenario, which I need to check here, num or I, please respond. I. Got it or not? You will print that I. Next, if ended. If started, end if is ended. Is it okay for you? Is it clear? This one is not needed. Yes, you need to
Yes.
increase. Yeah. Copy this. Control C. Now just VA odd dot sh. Right. Escape colon x bash bash dot slash odd dot sh. What happened? Something wrong? Something wrong? Somewhere maybe it is missing. 135 getting output 1312357 but extra thing are you getting right? Something missing. We'll check it. Or dot sh. What was the problem? Anyone? Dollar modulus 2. Oh, I did a silly mistake. No, equal to 0. Yeah, not equal to 0. Good only.
We did not mention the number is odd, sir. Echo number.
No, that's why numbers are printing. Okay. Here that is odd, number is odd, but we need to print odd numbers, right? Yeah, I didn't give echo. That is the problem, I hope. Echo. You need to check echo. Dollar I. Okay. Is odd. Double quotation. It is also double quotation. Now it is okay. Escape. Shift colon X. Now bash. See, 1 is odd, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, and 9 is odd. Now, in the same way, I want to get even. Very quickly tell me. There I am opening. Even numbers, quick modification.
We remove the n, sir.
Remove the, which one?
N.
N. Okay, insert. What to do?
And also we mention the echo, the line.
See, EQ means equals. EQ means equals. NQ means not equals. Echo, in place of odd, we are going to give even. Everybody okay for this? We'll check it.
Okay.
Escape, shift colon X, there up arrow. See, 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even, 10 is even. Tomorrow, if really required, we can check it. Given number is prime or not. Little difficult. Are you agree with me? Prime. I think many people know the meaning of prime number. Please respond. Know it or don't know it? How can you say one number is prime number or not? Maybe you may try. Today I'm not touching. You may try. At least try to understand what is prime number, how it is prime number. Maybe at least we may discuss tomorrow. Is it okay for you? Even if you don't know, I'll explain. No worries. But you try to analyze. Oh, how can you say one number is prime number? Simply, I'm writing this. I am writing. Anyone tell me 1 is prime or not?
Yes, sir.
1 is not a prime. Someone said prime. What about 2? Just guess it. Maybe or may not. If not, I'll tell. If right, okay.
No, sir.
No, it is prime. What about 3?
Yeah, it is a prime, sir.
What about 4?
No, sir.
What about 5?
Yeah, it's prime, sir.
What about 6?
No, sir.
No. What about 7?
Yeah, it's prime.
9?
No.
No. There, one rule is there. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. See, 1 is not a prime, 1 is not a composite. Leave about 1. From 2 onwards, you need to check. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. Are you agree with me? 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. But what about 4? Check it. 4 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 4. Only 2 times any number which is divisible, such number is prime number. I hope Hemant understood. See, if you take 6, how many times it is divisible? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 6. That means 4 times it is divisible. That's why it is not a prime number. But come, take the 7 with 1, with the 7 only. You must get remainder 0 if you're divisible. 7 if you're divisible by 1, 2, 3. I make you little clarity for you. Then also I'll stop the class. Windows key or MS Paint. MS Paint. There I am taking number 7. Try to understand. First, what are the 7 factors? Anyone can quick response? 7 factors.
1, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All are 1 to 7 only factors. There, see, this is divisible by 1. Yes, it is divisible. It is divisible by 7 only. Check it. Remaining, if you divisible, you may get remainder. What is the remainder? You may get it non-zero. Non-zero. Or agree with me? At least Hemant, you got it or not? ఈ 7ని 1తో భాగిస్తే
Yes, sir. Got it.
అదే 7ని 2తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? 2, 3, 6 రిమైండర్ 1 వస్తుంది. మనకు రిమైండర్ 0 రావాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ 6, యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్ 6. 6 యొక్క ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు నేను డివిజిబుల్ 8గా రాస్తాను. 1తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది, 2తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది, 3తో డివైడ్ అవుతుంది అండ్ 6తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. మన కౌంట్ ఎన్ని రావాలి? హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ డివైడ్? ఓన్లీ 2 టైమ్స్. Only 2 times. Here, how many times? 4 times. That's why we are telling. It is prime. It is prime. It is prime. Here I am telling it is not prime at least. It is not prime. Not prime. Is it okay for you? Tomorrow we'll discuss how to implement the logic. Okay. Thank you. Shall I wind the session?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good, good. Class. Yes.